Wall Street is making some seriously weird trades. Wall Street investors are turning to precious metals as a profitable and safe haven investment amid market uncertainty. Gold has risen 27.5%, silver up 24%, and platinum surged 36% this year. The rally is driven by trade war worries and President Trump's unpredictable tariff policies, prompting investors to seek stability outside stocks and bonds. By comparison, the S&P 500 is up less than 3% so far in 2025, despite gains of 23% in 2023 and 24% in 2024. Bonds show unusual volatility, and the US dollar has broadly weakened following last year's 7% rise. The data highlights a strong rotation into safe haven assets, with precious metals outperforming traditional equity and bond markets. Investors are increasingly shifting from traditional financial assets to precious metals as a hedge against political and financial instability. Gold remains the primary safe haven, though demand has slightly stalled. Silver and platinum have gained momentum recently, driven by supply constraints and portfolio diversification strategies. Precious metals are politically neutral and carry no counterparty risk, unlike bonds or foreign currencies. Analysts note that the current macroeconomic backdrop supports continued interest in these metals, even if new all-time highs are not imminent. Momentum-driven rallies are reinforcing the trend, with gold recently becoming the most crowded trade, surpassing even major tech stocks for the first time in 2 years. Precious metals continue to outperform as investors seek safe havens amid economic and geopolitical uncertainty. Gold up 27.5% in 2025, following a 27% gain last year. Posted its strongest quarterly return since 1986 in Q1. Prices briefly surpassed $3,500 per ounce in April, trading around $3,350 per ounce as of mid-year. Gains driven by tariff worries, central bank purchases, India, China, geopolitical risks, and a weaker US dollar, down 9% YTD. Viewed as a resilient hedge against inflation. Silver up 24% this year, following a 21% gain in 2024. Recently crossed $36 per ounce, its highest since 2012. Rising prices driven by industrial demand, economic uncertainty, and closely tracking gold. Overall, both metals are benefiting from investor demand for tangible, politically neutral assets amid ongoing market volatility. Analysts note silver is benefiting from its dual role as both an industrial and precious metal. Exchange-traded funds like iShares Silver Trust ETF are up 25% this year, making silver an attractive, lower-cost alternative to gold. Momentum-driven trading is also contributing to price gains. Platinum has soared 36% this year, rebounding from nearly a 10% drop in 2024. Prices recently surpassed $1,200 per ounce, their highest since 2021. Gains are driven by supply shortages, automotive and industrial demand, and rising interest in jewelry, especially in China. Analysts note that platinum is emerging as a catch-up investment within the precious metals complex, incentivized further by rising gold prices. Overall, precious metals including gold, silver, and platinum continue to outperform traditional financial assets as investors seek safe haven, politically neutral, and industrially relevant assets amid economic and geopolitical uncertainty.